Hi friends, in this video we shall learn about some basic details of AutoCAD interface. Here you can see the icon of AutoCAD 2013 version and I am clicking on it. I am using the 2013 model AutoCAD software. You can use any software of previous versions or latest version also. Moreover, every software is equal and same. For opening it takes little time. It depends on the processor speed of the computer that we use. Now you can see here the welcome screen. As you can see, many details over here. In the work section you can see icons new, open and open sample files. For opening a new file you can click here, or for opening a already saved file you can click on the open, and or here you can see the recent files which you have already done the work, and you can scroll down here and you can have a lot of information in this welcome screen. Now we shall move on to AutoCAD. I am clicking here on new icon. As soon as I click the icon, a window has been opened and asking to select the template. These are the predefined templates which are already in the AutoCAD. Here each template has different default settings. You can select accordingly. For example, if we want our drawing to be in matrix, that is in mm, we can select the AutoCAD ISO. Here I am selecting AutoCAD ISO and clicking on open. Now the drawing is open. Now I will be changing it to 2D model, that is drafting and annotation. At the top you can see the drafting and annotation. I am selecting this one. This is where we will be working on our 2D drawings. You can also see over here it is in 2D version, that is in we will be doing the drawings in 2D. And now we shall check the units of the drawing. For this I am clicking the application menu of the top left corner. You can see many icons over here. You can observe new, open, save, etc. Then you can open the new drawings by clicking on the drawing and open. If you want to open the already existing drawing, we can click on the open, and if you want to save or save as, we can use this. At the bottom we can export and we can publish and we can print it. Here in the drawing utilities we can find the unit. I have clicked the units and you can see over here in the bottom our drawing is in millimeter. That means if I draw any geometry over here, the measurement will be in matrix, that is in millimeter. You can see over here to the right side there is a icon. It is called the view cube. By clicking on the face of the view cube we can change the perspective of the drawing, and when I take the mouse pointer you can see that the edges are getting highlighted. These are called the hotspot of the cube. Now I will click on the hotspot of the cube. You can see how the view of the drawing has been changed. We can adjust the view of the drawing accordingly. And when I take the cursor over the arrows, you can see they are getting highlighted. And if you want to turn the drawing, we can use the arrows to turn the drawing. This view cube is very important and very useful for doing our geometry works in the AutoCAD. Now at the bottom you can see three tabs, namely model, layout 1, layout 2. Present we will be just clicking on the layout 1. You can see how it looks, and layout 2 how it looks. We will be discussing about them in detail in the later videos. And the black area which you can see is called the model space. This is where we will be doing our 2D geometry, and we can also do 3D geometry in AutoCAD. The model space is infinite in size, so that we can draw a geometry of infinite size. AutoCAD is vector based program, that means it is based on the mathematical calculations. And here at the top you can see some more tabs: home, insert, annotate, layout, etc. And if I click here on the home tab, you can see some more tools over here which we will be using in our geometry, and here you can click on the draw with a small arrow. If you hover over there, if you take the cursor over there, a small flyout has been opened. You can also use those for doing a drawing. There is a small icon over here at the top bottom. It is called the pin. If I click on the pin, this will not be hiding anymore. If we want to hide it, then we have to simply click on the pin again so that it will be hiding. By default, they will be in the auto hide mode. Here at the top, you can see some more tabs which are very helpful in our geometry drawings. We will be discussing about them in the later videos. At the topmost area, you can see some more small icons. This is called the quick access toolbar. You can access some items directly from the quick access toolbar. And at the bottom, you can observe the status bar. The status bar gives information about the current state of mode of setting. There are different modes over here. You can see. At present, I have switched off all the modes. If you want to on a particular mode, you can, if you hover over the mouse pointer, you can get information about it. You can see over here ortho mode F8. On the keyboard, we can switch on or switch off it. I will be clicking on it with the palm out. Now I will be clicking on this with the mouse. You can see the color has been changed as soon as I switch on the ortho. Now it has been changed to gray. You can see over here automatic save to C. Drawing has been automatically saved. You can give the time also for auto saving. For the command is save time. Give the command is save time. It is asking for new value for save time. At present it is 10 minutes. We can give any time we need. I will be giving 5 minutes and enter. Now the document will be saved for every 5 minutes automatically. And here at the bottom you can see the white area. This is called the command line area, where we will be giving the commands for the drawings we want to plot. We can give our commands in the command area, or we can directly type the commands. Here I have pressed the command for line L, and you can see the computer has asked me to specify the first point. I have clicked already, and now it is asking to specify the next point. You can see I can move the line anywhere. Now I have given the second point, and it is asking for the another next point. You can see the line is moving like a rubber. It is going in and out. This is called the rubber band effect. Now I will be giving some more points and close the drawing. We will be discussing about the line command and different tools we will be using for drawing the 2D geometry in upcoming videos. And if I click the right mouse button, we will get some more sub options. We can click enter, or if we cancel, or we can close the drawing. You can see here that the line is automatically closed.